Hello guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you how I created this. It's simple, subtle, but it's extra glam look. So hey,
Jules Makeup Maven.
I used micellar water to clean my client's skin. A clean base is always the best base for your makeup. Now taking my toner helps me to tighten the skin for a much smoother skin appearance. Okay, the toner is by Dr. Rashel. The next step is to moisturize the skin. I will make sure to write down the products which I've used in this video in the description box below. Now taking my primer, I'm just going to prime my face. The role of a primer is to act as a barrier between your skin and the makeup, so that it helps you avoid clogged pores. And now taking my lash glue, I'm just going to set her eyebrows. Just like, and this is how my eyebrows look. Now taking my loose powder, I'm just going to set her eyebrows for a matte look. Anyways, don't forget to hydrate your clients, give them some water. Nah, I say that wrong. Is it water? Is it water? Okay, so back to the tutorial. I'm just going to outline the shape of my eyebrows using a dark brown pencil. The key to the perfect eyebrows is to try and draw at least some perfect lines. A sharp pencil and practice will definitely make your eyebrow game up a notch. So guys, please practice, as practice makes perfect. Okay, and so this is how my eyebrows look like, and I'm just going to try and fill them in. I'm drawing the like strokes and then filling in the rest of the eyebrows. For this part, you mostly need an eyebrow pencil that is really sharp, so that you can be able to draw those baby hair structures. Okay, taking this black pencil, I'm just going to darken and deepen the shade of the brown color and towards the end of my eyebrows. And so guys, this is it. This is how I do my eyebrows, and they look like this. Okay, so now taking my USHAS concealer, I'm just going to start off by cleaning the curve. When you're concealing the arc of your eyebrows, you make sure to use a much lighter shade of concealer than the one which you would use at the beginning of it. For the top part of the eyebrows, I took my foundation from Sleek Makeup, and then I started carving out the eyebrows. My eyebrows look something like this, and now I'm just going to puff out that excess product so that I have a smoother skin appearance. For the eyes, I started off by correcting the dark spots on your eyelids. Your eyeshadow also needs a good base so that it lasts much longer and it does not cake up. So a good concealer or an eyeshadow primer will do. And now I'm taking that white pigment from my Iman of Noble palette, and I'm just going to apply it onto the inner corners of your eyes. Okay, also taking that deep pigment, it's a light brown shade that is almost khaki in color, and I'm just going to apply it onto the rest of your eyelid, making sure to blend it really well. And now using that deep black matte at the corner of my eyeshadow palette, I'm just going to insert the black at the corner of my eyelids. I did a small V. It's an inverted V, okay? And I'm just going to blend it out using that light brown shade. Okay, and now going back in, I'm just going to intensify the color of that khaki brown at the center of the eyelids. And with this, yeah, pretty much done with the eyeshadow. For the eyeliner, I'm just taking that black liquid eyeliner from Karite, and I'm just going to draw a basic wing first. I asked my client to open their eyes so that I could draw a small wing. I wanted my wing to look as small as neat as possible, but I made a mistake and I smashed it a little bit, but there's nothing that a good concealer won't fix. Okay, so now using this eyeliner from Hold Morning, I started drawing maybe at least a third from her inner corner, and I began lining in such a way that one would think that it's an elongated cut crease. So if you're new to the channel and you've managed to watch this far, please subscribe to the channel and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. The eyeshadow should look something like this. And now I went back in with my color corrector to just cover those dark spots. While I waited for my corrector to dry out, I took some rhinestones. Well, I forgot where I ordered them, and I just started hand picking them, and I'm just applying them. As you can see, the face was now corrected, and I just went in with my foundation. I'm still using the same foundation which I had used to outline her eyebrows in the beginning of the video. And now using my concealer, I'm just going to highlight areas of her face and kind of hide her blemishes. I concealed under her eyes and on her chin and also onto her forehead. You want to avoid using too much product under your eyes because it will cause your clients or your makeup to become cakey. I used this loose powder from Fit Me to set her face. Eyelashes done. Okay, and now I'm just going to line her lips. And now taking my liquid lipstick from Kylie Cosmetics, I'm just going to go over her lips. Also using a much lighter pink shade of liquid lipstick, I'm just going to go onto the center of my client's lips, and I'm just going to place it there. Okay, so taking my brush, I'm just going to blend in the edges so that my liquid liner and my liquid lipstick do not look too harsh. Okay, so now I'm just going to remove the excess powder. Okay, so now for the setting spray, I'm just going to set the face, and with this we are pretty much done with the makeup tutorial. So guys, thanks for watching.